Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Jasmine, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this Queen of Hearts Halloween makeup look. It took me forever, and the eyes look like crap, but whatever. It looks good from far away. That's all that matters. So I blocked my brows out off camera. Didn't have a glue stick, so I used soap, bar soap. If it looks like crap, I just don't know what to do. I just don't care. Okay, so today we are going to be doing a Halloween look. We're not doing eyebrows today, so we're gonna go into foundation. I color corrected my brows. I don't know if that's gonna do anything. Hopefully it does. Okay, so I was thinking while I was in the bathroom for 2 seconds, I'm going to apply this with my finger to my eyebrow so I don't mess it up, because I did not use glue, I used soap. And if I put water on it, because I put it in the beauty blender, I might take the soap off. I think there's a ball in here. So I was using the Maybelline Super Stay Foundation in the shade Natural Ivory. And I also use some Coty Airspun. Do you see this? Do you see what I did? I'm gonna use my Too Faced Born This Way foundation in Ivory. For concealer, I'm going to be using this Too Faced Born This Way concealer and vanilla. I'm just going to use that Coty Airspun translucent powder to set my whole face. I'm gonna go in with this Perfixt eyeshadow palette by Beauty Glazed. It's like a dupe for the Huda Beauty nude palette. And I'm gonna be using the shade Maroon. I'm gonna go with the Box of Crayons eyeshadow palette by the Crayon case, and I'm gonna go in with the red shade, and I'm gonna blend around that maroon shade. So I'm gonna be using this WetnWild MegaLast liquid catsuit lipstick in the shade Video Vixen. I'm going back in with the Box of Crayons eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna use the red shade, and I'm just blending it out around the edges. To fix this look, I'm just gonna go in with glitter. Okay, now since I got all that blended out, it took me an hour to do that and foundation, but I'm gonna go in with these like flaky glitter thing and this baby pink one. Now I'm gonna be using my Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive because I don't have any glitter primer. I'm back and I put on eyelashes. I'm going to take this WetnWild contour kit and I'm going to take this contour shade right here and I'm going to contour my face. For highlighter, I'm going to be using this Profusion Luminizer 1 highlighter palette. And I'm going to be using the shade Fairy Light. I'm going to go in with this Milani Amore Matte Lip Cream in the shade Striking. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, click that bell so you will get notified every time I post a video. I love you guys so much. Oh yeah, and don't forget to follow me on all my social medias. I love you guys so much. Bye.